Here is an update on our potting soil experiment. 50% chunky coconut coir and 50% vermister earthworm castings. And I degrafted these Asunta seedlings, and you can see that they did exceptionally well despite a record rainfall, and they did not get rot at the stem. Well, the one on the right here got some cold damage on its new growth, but I'm gonna leave it alone. And you can see that this one is really ready for this season. Look at all of the new branches trying to form. So overall, I would say that this is an expensive potting soil mix. 50% castings, earthworm castings, 50% chunky coconut coir. But it's doing much better than I anticipated. So there you go. It's been about 8 months, and we'll see how these plants do this season. All right, stay tuned.